everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today we're going to be doing a review on another palette. I'm actually really excited about this one. This one is the new BH Cosmetics Nice palette. Look at how cute that is. Now listen, I know this is a very festive palette. It's a very Christmas palette. I know we haven't even gotten into Halloween. I think it'll be still before Halloween by the time this video goes up here, but I saw this on Aldo's website and I thought that it was just darling. Here are the shades. I just thought it was so bloody cute, you guys, so I really wanted to do a video on this and do a review because I have not used very many BH Cosmetics palettes, but they are drugstore, so they're pretty inexpensive, and the ones that I have used are like super bomb, so please don't come for me because it's not past Halloween yet. Thank you. Trust me, I'm super excited for Halloween. I want Halloween to be here. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description. If you want to check me out and give me a follow over on Instagram, I would really, really appreciate it. I'm really trying to grow my Instagram and I'm very like seasonal, so everything is very fall right now, which I'm obsessed with. When it gets into Christmas time or the holidays, I'll be more holiday Christmassy, so I can't wait for that. I've already got a lot of outfit ideas planned and stuff, so if you want to see that, make sure to follow me over on Instagram. Again, thank you so much. But without any further ado, let's jump into this. I actually still need to prime my eyes, so I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, so again, here's what the palette looks like. It's super, super cute. I think they have like a naughty palette as well, but then this is what these shades look like. They're very, very festive. They're very cool. I love this Angel shade and these two right here, Cider and Slay. These are beautiful. So I'm really into those. I actually love these two dark shades down here. This really super dark blue and this dark green. I'm really into that. I think I'm gonna go into a tiny little bit of Cookie right here. It still does look a little bit dark, so I am gonna go in with a super light hand with this because I don't want my crease shade to be too dark. Ooh, that's not too dark actually. It works really well and it's blending out really nicely. It's very creamy. This is super off topic, but like, who has finished or is currently watching The Haunting of Bly Manor? I loved The Haunting of Hill House when it came out. It was like my favorite show at the time, like to watch, because I just thought it was so well written and so good. I think maybe did it come out in 2019 or 2018? I don't really remember, but it was just such a fantastic show. And whenever they released The Haunting of Bly Manor and I realized it was by the same creator and it had some of the same actors, I like, oh my gosh. I like nearly pooed myself. It was insane. I was so unbelievably excited because, I don't know, I think those actors are just so good. Like the girl that, if you haven't seen, there's a girl that plays Dani. If you've seen The Haunting of Hill House, she's actually the same girl. She's the youngest daughter. I don't want to spoil anything for either show if you haven't seen either one of them. They have the same, not all of the same cast, but there are a lot of similarities. Like the same people are in this one too, which is awesome. But I finished Haunting of Bly Manor. I loved it. I will say I liked The Haunting of Hill House more, but I still loved this one in its own right. I thought it was really good. So now that shade blended out so well. Like I'm so into that. It was so nice. I keep saying the word so and I don't know why. I'm going to deepen this up a bit now, and to do that I'm going to go into this shade right here called Ginger Snap. Right there. Just a darker brown shade. I'm just gonna deepen this up a little bit and just drag this just a little into the crease. I don't want to do it too much. Also, you guys, Desi, like Desi Perkins, she is literally, her due date was yesterday. Today is October 18th. As I'm filming this, her due date was yesterday, the 17th. And I don't think she still had her baby just yet, but she is literally so close. Like she is right there. She is due any day, and her sunglasses brand, Desi, relaunches, like it has a restock on the 22nd of October. So that's like on Thursday or something. I don't really remember, but it is so close and I don't know. I know that she probably doesn't want to have her baby on launch day. Like, I don't, hopefully that won't happen, but like I know that she was like, please don't wait until launch day to come out. So I'm so over the moon for her because I know she just wants to see him so bad, hold him and snuggle him. And then Christy, or Raw Beauty Christy, is also super close. I think she's maybe at like 36 weeks or 38 weeks, something like that. She's very close as well. And I know that she, again, is just over the moon excited. These shadows really do have a lot of fallout. Or a lot of kick up. Let me see if you can see this here. It is quite a bit of kick up. Again, kick up doesn't really bother me as long as it doesn't get everywhere. But so far it hasn't really gotten everywhere, so it's not that big of a deal, but I just wanted to show you in case you cared about palette kick up. I will say I wish this color was a tiny bit darker. Like, it is darker than the first shade we put down, but then again, I can't really tell too much of a difference if I'm gonna be completely honest. But now I want to play with these dark shades. Like, I honestly should have done something different, but I want to go into this one right here, this dark blue. This is called Carolers. I really hope this blue is dark. Oh! Alright, I'm gonna put this out here. Honestly, not the best shade, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of hard to apply, and it is kind of getting pretty patchy. I know that blues are really hard to make, and I think this one's alright. It's not my favorite. Oh, there we go. Now it's blended out a bit better. I think you just really have to blend it for it to be smooth, because I was really chunky and it was really kind of hard to blend at first. So I think you just have to work with it. Once you work with it, that looks really nice there. I think that looks very smooth. It does look a bit more green to me personally. I feel like if it was gonna be blue, it'd be like, you know, like dark navy blue. This actually did blend out to be kind of just like a green, but I still really think this is pretty. I take back what I said. I think it applies at first kind of wonky, but once you start blending it out, I think it's cool. I'm gonna do the other side really quick off camera because I don't want to mess it up. So there's that. I really like it. I'm trying to decide if I want to do a little bit of the dark green shade. I have a feeling the dark green is not going to look any different to this right here, if I'm being completely honest, because this looks pretty dark green to me. So I'm not 100% sure if doing the dark green is going to make any difference really. We can try. Let me go into it. It's called Winter. It's really pretty, but I have a feeling it's going to look the same as this shade. Here we go. It is really dark though. And I'm just putting it on the very outer corner. Maybe you can tell a teeny bit right here, but yeah, it is almost the same shade. I feel like you would be able to tell better, obviously, if I wasn't putting this dark green over a dark blue. If I had started with this dark green shade, I'm sure you would have been able to tell a bit better. It is really pretty though, like it really did deepen up the outer corners quite a bit, so that's nice. I do like that. Okay, and I think that's all we're gonna do for the mattes. You guys already know. I'm gonna go into Angel right here, like I have to. Like this is just insane. And let's see if this is one that I can apply directly onto my lid, or do I need some kind of like glitter glue or something? I don't know. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh, that's awesome. That applies so well. I still think I am going to use a brush because I have these nails on and it's kind of hard to get it where I want. But this did apply just fine with the finger. If you have shorter fingernails, I'm sure that you could get this to work no problem. Now this one is the first shade that did give me a little bit of fallout. If you can see this right down here. It's a little bit sparkly. Now, this reminds me of a glitter shade, you guys. If this is glitter, please don't use this around your eyes because glitter is not meant to be used around your eyes. and if it gets in your eyes, it could hurt you. So don't use this around your eyes. That's really, really pretty though. Oh yes, I like that a lot. All right, let me do the other side. And then what I think I might want to do, this shade right here called Snowball is so pretty. Like, I don't even know if you can see it properly. Like, it is so like reflective. Like, it just looks silver on camera right there, but it is like a iridescent, reflective, like silver purple. I'm gonna tap the teeniest amount over top of this angel shade just to give it kind of like a iridescence. Oh, I love that so much. I'm super into that. Okay, I am going to quickly do the rest of my face makeup off camera really quick for you guys, and then I'll come right back. All right, so I've done the rest of my makeup, done my eyes and everything, so now we're just gonna finish up the eyes and we'll go to the lips. I'm gonna do the bottom lash line. I just love this look so much, you guys. For the bottom lash line, we're just gonna keep it really simple, and I'm gonna go into the shade. Let's do Carolers down here. We'll go in with that dark blue down here and then just smoke this out. Alrighty, well there's that. And then for the inner corners, I am going to go, I think, into Snowball again, honestly, right here, because that was a really, really pretty shade, and I'm just gonna put that. Alrighty, and that's it for the eyes. I love this. I think this looks so nice. And now we're gonna go into the lips really quick. I'm gonna line my lips with the lip liner from Milani. This is in the shade Nude. I need to sharpen it first. Alright, and then I'm gonna go, I know I've been using this so much, but I really dislike it. I'm just gonna use the Milani lipstick. I'm so sorry if the light's going away. Like, it just turned into a storm. And like, I don't know what happened because it wasn't like this when I first sat down to film, but like literally now it's completely dark outside. So I'm trying to keep as much light as I can. But this is the Milani matte lipstick in the shade I Am Smart. And yes, I am, and yes, are you. And there we go. And this, you guys, is the finished look that we, oh wait, first things, wait, I need to go over my lashes with my liner. I like to go over them just to make sure that they're as black as they can be. All right, now here is the finished look that we did create using the brand new BH Cosmetics Nice palette. I'm obsessed with this. I think it looks fantastic. I think that these shades worked super, super well together. And I know I had a little bit of trouble with the Carolers shade up here, but after it was blended out, it was really, really good. It just needed to be worked with a little bit and played with. And I still actually do think that you can see the green just a teeny tiny bit on the outer corners. It's that winter shade. I still think that you can see that. It may not be like super prominent, but I think it is there. I just think this is really, really nice. I think for, I don't know how much this palette was, like 20 bucks, maybe even a little less than that. I think that you can't go wrong with this. I think it's really good. And I only used like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades out of all of them. So you can make so many other different kinds of looks with this palette. Like their possibilities are, you have quite a lot. I really want to try this like jolly shade right here, this sparkly red shade. That one seems really cool. I can't wait to play around with this more and try more things out. But so far, I'm really like this palette. I think it's definitely worth it, especially for the price. So yeah, and I think that this look is just so cool. I'm super into it. But you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did like it, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post when I post it, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!